Social Studies, Class 3. Good morning, children. Today's topic is Occupations, Chapter 7. In this lesson, we will learn about what is an occupation, about various occupations, how hobby is different from occupation. So, children, first let us know what is occupation. A work which is done to earn money is called an occupation. People chose occupations according to their education skills and needs. For example, one requires specific education to become a doctor. Now let us learn occupations in villages. There are various occupations followed by the people in villages. They are farming, selling fruits and vegetables, rearing animals for milk, meat and eggs, and fishing. First one is farming. Agriculture or farming is the main occupation of the people living in villages. They grow a variety of crops such as cereals, pulses, spices, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, cotton, jute, and sugarcane. The second one is animal rearing. Cattle rearing is the domestication of animals such as cows, buffaloes, sheep, bullocks, and goats. Rearing of animals for milk is called dairy farming. Hens, ducks, and geese are reared for meat and eggs. The farms where these animals are reared are called poultry farms. The occupation is called poultry farming. As you can see in the picture, how the poultry farming is done. Now, children, let us learn the occupations in cities. The various occupations practiced in the cities include working in factories and offices, working in hospitals, schools, and colleges, and selling goods and services. Some people work in films. Now let us see the first one, factories. Many people work in factories where raw materials are converted into usable goods. For example, cloth is made from cotton. Sugar and jaggery are made from sugar cane. The second one is handicrafts. Some people make handicrafts as it is shown in the picture. They have special skills to work with things like fabric, paper stones, clay and glass. Some common handicrafts in India are embroidery, knitting, sewing, weaving, pottery, doll making, and paper craft. So, these handicrafts work are done with hands. Okay. Now let us learn about hobbies and occupations. There are certain activities which we enjoy doing in our spare time. Spare means free time. They are called hobbies. They are fun. They help us to relax. We indulge in them during our free time. Hobbies are of different types like music, dance, painting, as well as sports like cricket, football, and tennis. Some people take up their hobbies as their occupations. As you see in the picture, how the people are doing or how they are involved in activities. Now, children, let us find out what is the difference between hobby and occupation. Hobby is an activity done for fun. Occupation is a work done to earn money. Hobbies are practiced during free time, and occupation takes up most of our time during a day. So, children, you should learn about the difference between hobby and occupation. Now, let us summarize the chapter. Occupation is any work done to earn a living. Animal rearing and farming are common occupations in villages. People work in factories, offices, and hospitals in cities. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson. Now let us do some exercise. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. List the important factors for choosing an occupation. The important factors for choosing an occupation are education, skills, and needs. Question number 2. What are the major occupations chosen by people in villages? The answer is farming and animal rearing are the major occupations chosen by people in villages. So do in your notebook and show me. There is a homework also. So students, do this homework in your notebook and show me or send me in the WhatsApp. Question number 1. Write the differences between hobby and occupation. So you have to mention or write 2 points as I have explained you in the chapter what is the difference between hobby and occupation. Okay. Then question number 2. Name any 3 occupations which can also be hobbies. So whatever hobbies you are doing, it is also taken as occupations. So find out what are those hobbies which can be done as occupation. Okay, and write the answer. Thank you.